Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 208 kick-down door holder. This is a very standard, very typical sort of kick-down door holder, meaning its design, its 3 screw hole footprint, and its length from the pin down to the bottom. Very typical, very garden variety, something that you're going to see in a lot of different installations. Everything from a residential application where you might want to keep a specific door open, maybe a garage door coming in and out of the house, if it is something that might need to be held open. This would work very appropriately for that. Also, you're going to see this on the front of retail spaces, like smaller businesses in a strip mall might want to have their front door held open to allow clients to come in and out, etc. This is a sprayed finish, an aluminum base material, aluminum alloy they call it. Features a removable tip, and it's got a screw inside of it, and it's only because the screw is fixed tight in here that I was able to unthread that by hand. It's got a threaded post inside of there, which you can just about make out. Okay, these tips are available separately from Hager if they wear out. There is a flat spring behind here, and then there is a small sort of elbow feature to the end of this. Looks like it's been something that's maybe been TIG welded on. I'm not sure how that's manufactured, but when you push past the elbow, that flat spring in the back flexes out and is held open. Okay. Includes 3 oval head screws and a complementary finish. Okay, for installation. Now, dimensionally, they've got the arm at what's listed at 3 7/8, and that sort of dimension is always going to be a reference to the dimension from the pin, the axis of the pin, to where it would naturally be installed at. So this dimension from here down to here is 3 7/8. And that's the standard size. They make a larger one, of course, but that's the standard size. When you install this, you're going to want to make sure that in the position where you want the door to be held open, you want complete contact of the entire face of the rubberized portion of the shoe itself to make contact with the floor. If you've got this installed too high, you're going to come down like this and get the tip. If you've got it installed too short, you're not going to be real effective at keeping the door open. It'll kind of, if you've got a door closer, the closer will drag the door a little bit until it kind of catches. You want it flat because you're going to expose this to a lot of premature wear, and you'll find out you've got to replace that rubber tip a lot sooner than normal. This is a standard quality item, something really not intended for high volume use. If you've got something that's truly high volume use, you should not consider a kickdown like this, but more of an automatic spring operated roller style available from Hager as well. But this is a fine, dandy item. They work really well with moderate use, and work. Obviously foot operated. It works really good for you. Available in different sprayed finishes from Hager. All in the chrome family, but you can get these also in brass and other finishes as well when you get into the architectural metal, things made of brass or bronze. You can get actual architectural finishes. This is complementary. This is what would be called satin chrome, but it's more of just a sprayed sort of finish. But it's very complementary to satin chrome, and given the nature of where these are used, it's probably going to be most important that it works, and second most important that it is a complementary finish to the rest of the hardware. If you have any questions on the Hager number 208 kick down door holder or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.